Hi everyone, first of all, welcome, and don't you forget to check the description box below for all measurements and ingredients. Today I'll be cooking some green pigeon peas cook-up rice, and I used some chicken that I did wash and cut up into very small pieces. Feel free to use any kind of meat when you're cooking your cook-up rice. Here I have half cup of green pigeon peas and 2 cups of water into my pressure cooker. Once I place this into here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt along with a little bit of garlic, 2 onions chopped up, and 2 table pepper. Cover the pot and let this pressure for 10 minutes. My chicken has been cleaned. Here I'm adding some black pepper, paprika, some lemon pepper seasoning, and my homemade green seasoning. Once I'm finished mixing this, I'll set this aside and over to the peas. The peas has been boiled and very soft. So now I'm going to add some more chopped onions along with some grated ginger. I did wash some rice, and this is 1 cup of brown rice. It all depends on the type of rice that you are going to use. So once I stir this, I'm going to add some coconut milk. You want to add the milk just above the level of the rice along with some cubes. And it all depends on the type of rice that you use, guys. You're going to be using either more liquid or less liquid. So I also add some onion flakes, black pepper and paprika. Sorry, guys. Let that cook for 15 minutes over slow heat. Over medium heat, I have a pan with some oil, and I'm going to add the chicken just so it can cook for about 5 minutes. Once the chicken has been cooked, I'm going to add the chicken to the rice. And the rice is not done, guys. It still has more to go. This is after 10 minutes. Once I put this in here, I'm going to add some 5 spice seasonings, a little touch of sugar along with some green scallion. Give it a stir, cover this pot over very low heat and let it cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what my cook-up rice looks like. I'm going to add some butter, give it a good stir, cover it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. And yes, I did turn the heat off from under this pot. So after 20 minutes, here I serve my green pigeon peas cook-up rice with some fried chicken, drizzled with some tamarind sauce and some fresh garden salad. So thank you for coming in the kitchen once more. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, kindly please do so. Give my video a thumbs up. Press that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.